Right, my live kept cutting out, so I'm just going to finish this. So we're just going to put this card together. We're partway through this kits collection, and there's the instructions. We're doing this little card here, and so I've put the glue dots on here in my live, but some of it didn't happen, so the joys of internet while we're away. So here's the little card, and we're going to put this on here, like in the picture. Just put that down there. Just position that, and push your little glue dots down. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Such a cute little card. And then we go to number 2. It tells us to get a starfish, and we're going to put little glue dots on the back of that, and then we're going to get one of the little, so we've got the starfishes on here. Just pop them out, and we'll do the glue dots on the back of that. So it's only got 2 on there, so I slide them across the page like this. You can fold glue dots back on themselves. Which is handy. Let me look to where have they done it. So we'll put this one on first. So you see how they come over a little bit here? We'll be able to fold it back over. I'll show you in a sec, so that you can't see them. So I'll bring that right up to the camera if I can, and just fold that back on itself like that. Okay, and then you just pop it on your card. Like that. Wherever you want it. Just copy the picture. And the little, so this one will only have a little bit of stamping. So this one just has one glue dot at the base. Looking at the picture there. Just use your So in my other video I showed that we looked at the instruction sheet, and it has the instructions on getting everything out on the other page. So this one just sort of sits like that over the top of your little starfish. Or maybe I'll put that. Let me have a look, hang on. It's sort of like that. The label's going to sit over it anyway. We're going to stamp something. What have we got? Yep, so we do this one tells us we're going to get the stamp and put it on our block. So there's the block, and it says, "My day is better because of you." This one, I've already cleaned the stamps in my live. It was my live on Facebook on the 1st of June. Put your stamp down first so it just rests, and then pop your block on. Give it a push, get your block like that. And it comes with a mini ink spot, but I've already got one that I had at home, so I thought I'll just use that one. I just keep a bit of sticky tape on mine to keep the lids on, and just dab it on. Dab, dab, dab. Tap, tap, tap. Get enough ink on there. And we're going to use one of these. So I'm going to stamp it before I pull it out. Checking the picture. to line it up so you've got it on there. Pull it off, and then just clean your stamp. And your chamois. And then you can pop that out. These just pop out. Right, there we've got that, and then we need to put some glue dots on the back of that. So these are our glue dots, and I just slide them over like that. Right, we pull this off. Take the little paper pieces off. And then stick that on the front. So it covers up a bit of that bit anyway. Just sort of center it on there. Sort of. There we go. There we go. Okay, and now we're going to cut some string. So it comes with a little bag of string, twine. And it has a measurement there. It says 12 inches. So on your piece of instructions book, there is centimetres there and inches at this end. So it says to do 12 inches. So we've got 6 there, so I'm going to go, I'll do it twice, double it over. So it's to tie a little bow. So you can measure it and cut it off if you want to. I'm going to just tie the little bow first in the end of it so that I don't waste too much of it. They do provide enough so that you've got plenty left over. So I'm just going to tie my bow like that. Let's go back to the instruction sheet. So it's got a little bow tied, and then just look at it on your card. See, that might even be too big still. It does look a bit big, doesn't it? Let's try that again. Let me go smaller. So when I'm doing my bows, I do have a bow tying tool at home, but I tend to just do it like this. I don't expect it to be perfect the first go. I fiddle with it a little bit and bring them in and out and in and out. Tighten it, loosen it, tighten it, and then it sort of works. I'm happy with that. So you will need a pair of scissors when you're doing this with the kits. So that one will go there. So we'll just get a little dot. So you'll need another glue dot. So they've put one on the back. So I'm going to put it onto the card here, just above there. So I just use my fingernail, or you could use the scissors. Just slide the dot up like that to where you want it. Push it on with your fingernail a bit so that it really sticks, and then the backing just comes off. There we go. And then we just put the little bow on and push it on hard. Okay, and it's okay that it sits off a little tiny bit, and you can just trim it down. Just pull that in a little bit. Isn't it cute? And then just trim your little ends. So there we have our first little card. So if we go back to the instructions on the front here, it's this one. You can do different things with it. You could tie the string around underneath it, or you can just do exactly what they've got on here. So there's all the instructions there on this sheet over the back. You've got instructions for all of the cards. So this one is this one. So we've got a little envelope here. Which goes with it. It fits in there very nicely. So that's for the kids collection. So I was just doing this one tonight as I'm away near a beach, so I thought this was a good one to do. And I've got my host code here. So if anyone's wanting to purchase anything in June, there's my host code. Just move that out of the way. And there's my stampinup.net website as well. So thanks for watching. And the beginning of my video, I'll pop it up on YouTube as well. The first part was on my Facebook page. It was my live, but my internet kept dropping in and out, so I just went to doing a video like this and doing a kits collection. So the kits collection is on sale all of June, and you could buy one kit, get one half price, which is fantastic. You buy the cheaper kit you want, and then the more expensive one, if you buy a more expensive one, will be half price. So let me know if you need help with anything, and I'd love to have a chat about it all. So I'll catch you later. Ciao.